In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a faceless kids animation in Canva with AI. By the end, you'll have a simple, playful animation ready to build on, perfect for intros, educational content, or social posts. We'll keep it straightforward and clear, using Canva's built-in tools so you can follow along without any design background. First, we'll start with a template to get into the Canva editor. In Canva's search bar, type Video or Kids Animation. This helps you filter for layouts that are already sized and set up for motion. Pick any template that catches your eye. It doesn't need to be perfect because we'll be replacing most elements. The goal is simply to open a video canvas and jump straight into the editor. Once the template loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom and your layers on the canvas, which makes arranging things easier as we go. Next, open the AI Faceless Video tool. Look to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search within Apps, type Faceless Video, then open it. This tool generates character animations for you automatically, saving time you'd normally spend drawing or importing assets. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the editor view and that your design type is video, as some apps surface based on the project context. Now, let's generate the characters. In the Faceless Video panel, type this prompt exactly. Faceless kids playing, cartoon, 2D animation. Then click Generate. Give it a moment while the AI creates animated faceless kid characters in a clean 2D style. If the first result isn't quite your vibe, tweak words like playful, bright colors, or simple shapes, and generate again. You can drag the result onto your canvas, resize it by pulling the corners, and position it where the action should happen. Keep some open space around the characters so backgrounds and text don't feel crowded. Finally, add backgrounds that fit the scene. Click Elements on the left, then choose Backgrounds. Browse options like parks, classrooms, or abstract textures, and drag your choice onto the canvas. If it covers your characters, right-click the background and select Send to Back so the characters remain in front. Adjust the background scale so it fills the frame without repeating edges, and check the overall contrast to ensure the characters stand out. A subtle background usually works best for keeping the focus on the animation. That's it, a clean, AI-assisted faceless kids animation in Canva, built in minutes and ready for your story.